Hey friends, I'm Alan,
And I'm Melanie.
and we are Stay in Your Lanier on all social media platforms. We recently became members of the Mod Squad, so today we are taking a look at Mod Bikes, Mod City Plus 3.
And I have the Mod City Plus Step Through 3. Let's take a look at these awesome bikes.
We love the look and design of our mod bikes, and the charcoal black color we picked out is beautiful. Our City Plus models offer the ability to be folded up to fit in trunk and cargo areas or for vehicles that can't or don't plan to use a bike rack. The wide saddle seat and intricate details like the branded logo in the handlebar grips help to set these bikes apart from other brands. The color display allows you to easily view your speed, battery level, current assist mode, trip details, and activity details, and more. In the settings, you can adjust the brightness, set a passcode, and we really like that the adjustable electronic system allows you to adjust the top speed of each mode to fit your needs. A really cool feature Mod Bikes offer is Mod Connect. When paired with a Lumos helmet, it adds safety features like blinkers and brake lights at the touch of a button or squeeze of the handbrakes. Once powered on, a helmet appears on the display to indicate they are linked. Clicking the right button turns on the right blinker, and clicking the left button turns on the left blinker. Pressing the button again turns them off. Squeezing the handbrakes causes the lights to flash to alert anyone following behind.
Mod's snap-on system allows you to add different accessories to your bike. We chose the bench and frame-mounted foot pegs to allow our family of four to cruise together. Follow along as we take these bikes on awesome adventures in Baja and across the US. Stay tuned for a 3-month review after we've taken these bikes on lots of adventures.